Hey guys, wanna know how to add filters to your video in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, simply open up your Filmora right here and then import any media from right here. Now just drag and drop it to the timeline. Now once you're there, in order to achieve filters or add filters, you can see some menus right here. Just simply select filters that is located right here. Now, after clicking on it, you can see various filters you can choose from. Basic, featured, mono, cinematic, and so much more. Or you can just search it by yourself. Now, once you've found the right filter, just simply download it. And once the download is done, you can just simply drag and drop the filter to your video. Make sure the filter is above your video and you can just adjust its length too, so that it can fit the video. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you add filters in Filmora. You can also see the difference in the preview right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.